Hey guys, today we're introducing Applaunchpad, an amazing online tools for designers. It helps you create professional App Store and Google Play screenshots in just a few minutes. With Applaunchpad, you don't need to open Photoshop or hire a designer. Simply upload your app screenshots, pick a beautiful device frame, customize the background, and boom, you've got stunning, ready-to-upload visuals. It's completely free to start, super easy to use, and gives your app that polished premium look. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Applaunchpad step by step and show you how to create eye-catching screenshots that grab attention instantly. Let's get started. Today we'll create a clone project for the Perplexity app. For this, we need to follow some steps like taking screenshots on mobile, choosing a pre-made template, uploading screenshots and designing project, downloading and publishing app free. First, take some screenshots from the Perplexity app. After this, open Google. Search Applaunchpad. Open this website. Choose Android phone. Click on Start from Scratch. Go to Templates section. You can choose Ready-Made Template here. We'll select this one. Click on Replace to replace with your design. In the first page, delete all elements. Change its background color to black. Go to Upload section, click on Upload. We'll add logo image. Now go to Upload again, add a screenshot image. Next, go to Elements section. We'll add this mobile mockup. Then, add the screenshot in this mockup. Go to Text section. Add a text. Go to Font. Search Arial font. Select this font. Change font size. Type your text. Select the text. Click on Color. We'll choose white color. Duplicate the text. For this, we'll choose Josephine Slab font. Type your text. Change font size. Now select this corner and drag to make this text single line. Go to Elements tab, click on Elements, then click on Basic Shapes. Choose this rectangle shape. Change its color to white. Now adjust its position and size. Go to Elements again, then Icons. We'll add this magnify icon. Change its color to white. Place it on right side on this rectangle shape. Our intro page is ready. Now, add more screenshot image, just to replace in this mockup. Similarly, change texts of these two pages. Now go to Elements section, click on Image, scroll down and click on Illustrations. We'll use robot image for our design. Add this image to third page. Adjust its size and position. Adjust also texts and elements. In this way, we can easily create images for our app with Screenshot. App Launchpad provides you easy drag and drop features to add your screenshot in ready-made mobile mockup. Click on this plus icon to create a blank page. Change its color to black. Go to Elements. Now we'll add this mobile mockup. Upload your image and add it in this frame. Add your text. Now click on this icon to duplicate this page. Click on arrow to change its order. Now customize this page. Edit the text. Adjust mobile size. Now we'll create a WhatsApp integration page. Choose a mobile frame. Add WhatsApp screenshot. Adjust its size and position. Add text. Add a WhatsApp PNG image. Go to Elements, then Shape. Add this arrow, change its color to white, adjust its size and position. Lastly, we'll create a page for dark mode. Add a mobile frame. Now we'll upload a black page screenshot. Add it to mobile. Add texts. Go to Elements. Add a crescent moon icon. You can also easily translate your page text using localization features. Just go to Text, choose your language, and click on Translate to change the text to your preferred language. Now, you only need some adjustments of text to complete the design. Let's go back to the English version. Our design is ready. Now click on the download icon and download it in PNG format. In this way, we can create images for our App Store or Google Play Store app using App Launchpad. To explore it for free, visit the link in the description. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.